Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to go ahead and turn on auto translation on your TikTok account. If you're actually new to YouTube channel, guys, consider subscribing to the channel. This is going to be a very quick video, so try as possible to stay to the end of the video. So what I want to do, guys, is to go ahead and tap on my profile icon. So once you tap on your profile icon, this is what your profile is going to look like, as you know. So you tap on the hamburger icon, the top right hamburger icon. So once you tap on it, you're going to see settings and privacy. Tap on settings and privacy, and the next thing you're going to see is your settings and privacy. So you scroll down to where it says content and activity, then tap on language. So once you tap on language, select a translation language first. So you're going to select a translation language. Let's say, for example, I want to translate mine to Espanol. Click on it and click on done, then click on show translation, and that's all. So right now you can actually go back and it's going to all your videos are going to translate to English. And you can also select a preferred language. As you can see that you can select a preferred language. You can change that to Espanol and click on done and go back. So that's pretty much it, guys, on how to go ahead and show translation on TikTok accounts.